Will you take a look at this beauty? A good friend of mine, Greg Henderson, has a gift, a knack for doing serious damage to his pocket knives. This is a knife that he uses at work, and he decided he'd cut wire with it. Ooh-ah. Now here's how we repair the edge using the Blitz 360 and Edge Pro Diamond Matrix stones. Enjoy. Hey guys, this is Dan from the Sharpening Bench. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of restorative work on a pocket knife that a friend of mine has. This is a conventional steel, probably around 58 to 60 Rockwell. The tip is quite badly damaged. I'll show a close-up of that as part of the video. And I'm going to just show you how I reprofile and sharpen that kind of blade. I'm going to be using Edge Pro Matrix 250 stone to start with. And I'm just matching the factory bevel with a preference being given to the tip. You can see I've got a blue line on there. That's what I use to orientate the position in the clamp. And here we go. Alright, so you can see that on this side the marker from the secondary bevel has been removed. I'm going to flip it over and check the second side. You can see a little red line at the back of the secondary bevel. That means that this side is going to have to lose a little bit of metal so that it'll become symmetrical. I'm going to go with this side as the side to set that bevel angle with. These matrix stones should make quick work of this thing. I'm starting with the tip though to get the nicks out. And I'm going to flip it pretty often because it's a fair bit of metal that's going to come out of here. This is more of a repair, reprofile job instead of just sharpening. My buddy's got a Lansky, but he's not as good at repairing damage. I'm going to flip it again. He was cutting wire with it. This is a work knife. And in my head I'm counting strokes so that I keep the bevel in the center. About more than halfway there. Gonna do a little more work on this side. You can see all the metal coming off. Still got a ways to go. And I'm using I'm sharpening from here to the tip to keep the belly intact. If I just focused right here, it would end up with a little bit of a flat spot, and I don't want that. Flipping her over. And there's no burr, by the way. My buddy Greg has a gift for destroying edges. I can see the last bits of damage just disappearing. I'm getting close. Takes you 2 seconds to get a pair of snips and 10 minutes to fix the damage. Anyway. I still see the nicks. Just showing you how much metal's on there. little stubborn. I'm going to give it a crack with the 80 grit. Should have done that from the word jump. And that's about it. Let's check the other side quick. See all that fuzz hanging on there? That's a burr. I formed a burr, so I'm pretty close to an apex. Moral of the story, start with 80 when in doubt. Anyway, that was just because I didn't respect the metal. But I have a burr formed, and most of the way there on, the nick's mostly gone. So now I'm going to go back to my 250, and I'm going to finish off the repair part. And that's it for the repair. The rest of it's going to be a conventional sharpening, but what I wanted to show today was taking the nicks out of the blade, and I'll take a close-up of that edge.
Isn't she pretty? Whoops. Before and after. Quite happy with the results, and this knife that would have otherwise been in the dustbin is now going to be put back in service.
And that's all I got. If you got questions about how to fix a blade that's got chips, feel free to ask them down in the comments section. Your comments are always welcomed. And from here I'm just going to make it a normal sharpening, which I've got a few videos on that topic. But this is how to repair a blade that was used inappropriately and had some very large chips. I matched the factory edge, and I evened out the bevel. So he's going to be back in business. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Bye-bye.